Hey guys, we are going to open up our last 5 capsules from my weekend shopping trip. Zuki, I don't need any help from you. So I guess since she rolled this one to us, we're going to open this one first. This is, what is this? Series 4 Fashion. This should be interesting because we need some more purses. All the girls I have now, jeez. Really, Zuki? Okay, let's move these over and see what we have in our first capsule. You remember this? You like that? Okay. Feeling a little thick here. Wow. And it goes on and on. Oh, we have shoes? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you guys. What? We have little gadget things? Oh, goodness. I see a lot of these in our future. I think we got these from Target. Walmart did not have too much. So we have 2 things to open here. Okay. Let's see what we got. What the heck is this? Wow, it's a lot of stuff. Okay, looks like a compact with something in it. I can't see what the heck that is, but I know it's a compact. We know that much. So it's cute. Let's keep you in here because you are very small. Wow. And it looks like we have some nail polish. And we have some shoes. We have some floral shoes. Very cute, very cute. Let's see anything else. Things are very small in here. Okay, what's next? Hopefully not something small. Okay, it's a purse. Perfect for Valentine's. Very cute. I guess we should go ahead and see what's in our next fashion capsule. You having fun, Zuki? Yeah, you got caught. Silly girl. Here's another one for you. Okay. Let's put our paper over here. Here, you wouldn't be so nosy, little girl. Goodness. Okay. You have a purse. Oh, and you can put your cell phone in there. Wow, this is a really nice purse. And it's already open. You might be able to put something like a compact in here, I guess. So that's nice. You have side pocket here, phone here, or something here. Okay. Oh no, it's just magnetic. But this one you can put a phone in. That's really cute. Okay, it's something solid, so probably another purse. No, these are, wow. These are jean boots, you guys, or yeah, we'll call them boots because they're not shoes. Wow, you guys, that's so cute. Very, very cute. I like these. These are nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I have to figure out who is going to wear them and with what. Very cute though. So yeah, I see some more of these in our future. Just gonna need some more bags. So we're done with these. Let's see, we'll go with the... I need this one, little girl. Thank you. We'll go ahead and work out the 2 Target ones. Never opened these before, so this is going to be fun. I just know you make something, so. Hello, little girl. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. Goodness. I so wish Capone was here. He could keep me amused and out of my stuff. Okay, so I see a Target basket. Little girl, stop being nosy. Go away. Okay. So, what do we have? What do we have? We have some stickers, I think. Maybe they go on whatever we're supposed to make. 12 things to make and collect. Wow. Lots of things. And the actual recipes on the back. Okay. So, Target basket. Very cute. Put our stickers in our basket. Let's see, what is this? I think I know what we got, you guys. Just from this, I am going to assume it's actually what I wanted, what I was hoping for. These bullseye cookies. So we know what it is. It's the bullseye cookie. We are not going to open it now. We're going to save it. But at least we know what it is. So that's 1. 2 more to go, you guys. Let's see. Lots of little stuff. I'm running out of space here. Let's do our second Target ball. Lots of paper here. Okay. So this time we got a Target bag. That's very nice. What's in here? Oh, we have groceries, or maybe this is a part of what we're supposed to make. So this is favorite day blueberry flavored pancake and waffle. Oh, the actual pancakes in here, okay. And then we have some blueberries. Okay. Let's look at this again, see if we can figure it out. Was there something with blueberries? Or is this a part of our groceries? Let's see. Yep, here we go. Blueberry pancakes. Interesting. Oh, we have syrup too. Oh, that's very nice, Target. I like these. And we have 1 more to do. I don't know if we're going to make this, because this is a really nice prop for the dioramas, and the blueberries are really nice too. Keep them in here as if they went Target shopping. So, we have that. But I'll probably make the cookies. What's left? This one. No clue what it's about again, so this is a first for me. Guess I should go out more so I can see what the heck's out there in the world. Because of course that would require me to not be in pain. And that does not happen often. Like now, I'm in pain. Wow, you okay? You have a lot. We have something big, okay? We have a sticker. McCuties, Mac Cuties. What is this about? Okay. Moving minis, accessories. Okay, so you have lots of things here. So, let's figure out what we got, because I have no clue. It's just something big and squishy. Oh, never mind. It's a bag. Okay. It's a bag with other bags. This is slime. Okay, what the heck? What the heck? Slime? Okay, so that is something you actually collect. It's an accessory right there. So we have some slime. Yay. Okay. This is pizza, Valentino pizza. Okay. Very cute, very cute. If I can open it. Sorry about that, guys. Something was in my throat and I felt a big cough coming. And y'all know I don't like coughing in y'all's face. That's rude. So anyway, here's our pizza. Very cute, very cute. Can you even fit in here or maybe not? Maybe not. Oh well, we'll fake it. You'll go in there for now. So we did that one. What the heck is this? And what else is in it? Oh goodness, we will pause, you guys. Once again, sorry about that, guys. Anyway, this is a banana monkey muffin. Very interesting. There we go. So, that's what he or she looks like. I just put these in here. Stay focused. These paper things. So, we have a banana monkey muffin. Let's see. We have 2 more things. Okay. See what this is. This is, some kitty milk. Ooh, luxury. Here's our kitty milk. Very cute. Let's see what this is. Oh, we have a magnifying glass. I'm not sure what that's for. Guess I'm gonna need to go online and see what all this stuff is about. Well, never mind. It's an accessory. So we have a magnifying glass, some milk, a banana muffin, and what else? And slime. Yes, slime. Very interesting. I like the milk. I like the muffin. A little big for Barbie. So I might keep this in the Tonner Gray's house. So, got a cough again. Sorry, guys. I don't even know what this is about. Every couple of minutes, there's some little tickle in the back of my throat, and I just start coughing. But anyway, so we got these interesting things. MiniBrands, kawaii. So, here are things. Very cute. Again, I'll probably keep this in the 1/4 house, This can be too big for Barbie, but it's really cute. So here's the end result of all of our fun. I think I like the MiniBrands fashions and the Target the best. This was cute. You know, that's all I can say about it. It is cute. So we will see what other balls we can come up with and do another unboxing. As always, stay safe, keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I was cleaning up and I found these glasses and lipstick. So I'm guessing these came out of one of the fashion packs. They sent lots of goodies, that's all I can say. So if you get the fashion capsules, be careful because they might have lots of little pieces.